5 Japanese Cooking Verbs and Sentences. To bake 焼く For example, bake bread パンを焼く パン means bread 焼く means bake パンを焼くTo stew 煮込む For example, stew curry カレーを煮込むカレー means curry 煮込む means stew カレーを煮込むTo boil 茹でる For example, boil the eggs 卵を茹でる卵 means egg 茹でる means boil 卵を茹でるTo grate すりおろす For example, grate the cheese チーズをすりおろすチーズ means cheese すりおろす means grate チーズをすりおろすTo squeeze 絞る For example, squeeze the lemon レモンを絞るレモン means lemon 絞る means squeeze レモンを絞るGreat! Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one means to bake in Japanese? A. 煮込む B. 茹でる C. 焼くThe answer is C. 焼く Number 2. Which one means to boil in Japanese? A. 煮込む B. 茹でる C. 絞る The answer is B. 茹でる Number 3. Which one means to squeeze in Japanese? A. 煮込む B. 絞る C. すりおろす The answer is B. 絞る Great! Review Top 5 Japanese Cooking Verbs and Sentences To bake 焼く Bake bread パンを焼く To stew 煮込む Stew curry カレーを煮込む To boil 茹でる Boil the eggs 卵を茹でる To grate すりおろす Grate the cheese チーズをすりおろす To squeeze 絞る Squeeze the lemon レモンを絞る Great! Today we've learned top 5 Japanese cooking verbs and sentences. Fantastic progress. Hope you find them useful. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. 動画が面白かったらグッドボタン チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。See you next video! またねー